Welcome to the FAFSA Masterclass. Today, we're going to take something that often feels overwhelming, the FAFSA, and turn it into something clear, manageable, and genuinely empowering for your family. The FAFSA is the gateway to nearly every form of financial aid: federal grants, state grants, institutional aid, work study, and the most affordable student loans available. For many families, it's the single most important financial form they will complete during the college process. But the truth is, most parents never receive a straightforward explanation of how the FAFSA actually works, what matters most in the formula, or how colleges use this information behind the scenes. That's exactly what we're going to change. The goal is to help you understand the rules, avoid the common mistakes, and feel confident about every decision you make. By the end of this session, you'll know how to approach the FAFSA strategically and support your student with precision and calm. This slide highlights why FAFSA is essential for every family, regardless of income. It is important to know that FAFSA determines eligibility for federal, state, and institutional aid, which means it unlocks nearly every form of financial support available. Even families who don't qualify for need-based aid often need FAFSA to access merit scholarships, unsubsidized loans, and work study. The slide also emphasizes that FAFSA is required for grants, loans, and work study, reinforcing that skipping it can cost families thousands of dollars. Another key point is that FAFSA is used by most colleges for need-based aid decisions, meaning it's the foundation of the financial aid process. Finally, the reminder that FAFSA must be filed every year helps parents understand that this is not a one-time task, but an annual part of the college journey. This slide sets the stage for why learning this process